Sa hinaba-haba ng usapin sa confidential fund ng Office of the Vice President, mismong OVP na ang umatras. Inanunsyo ni Senate Committee on Finance Chairman Sonny Angara sa plenaryo na binabawi na ng OVP ang hiling nitong kalahating bilyong pisong confidential fund.
We discussed earlier, and according to her, the OVP can only propose a budget to support the safe implementation of its PAPs or programs, activities and programs to alleviate poverty and promote the general welfare of each and every Filipino family. Nonetheless, they will no longer pursue the CIF or CF.
Hindi na po itutuloy ng Office of the Vice President ang original na mungkahi para sa confidential funds. Bakit? Dahil po nakikita natin na talagang may tendency magkawatak-watak o magiging divisive itong issue na ito.
Una nang binasura ng Kamara ang confidential fund ng OVP, bagay na inayuna ng Senate Committee on Finance. Pero pwede pa kaya itong mabago sa BICAM?
Ayon din ni VP. I commend her, Mr. President, for now categorically stating to this House that it's not a deferral to our wisdom.
Matapos lang ang 30 minuto, isinara na ang debate tungkol sa 1.87 billion pesos na budget ng OVP. Pero hindi nakaligtas kay Opposition Senator Risa Ontiveros ang tinanggap ng OVP na 125 million peso confidential fund noong nakaraang taon kahit wala ito sa General Appropriations Act.
Mga libreng sakay o paghahanda para magbukas ng satellite offices o magpalibing, magpagamot na itong lahat, yung pagsisiguro ng kaligtasan nito, iyan ay umabot sa on average 11.3 million pesos a day.
Does not mean that all the services or all the information, for instance, will be given on those days. Meaning the information could have been given subsequent to the contracting and disbursing of the money.
Galing ang pondo sa contingent fund ng Office of the President na ginisa rin ng minorya dahil naman sa hinihingi nitong 2.3 billion pesos na intelligence fund. Ayon kasi sa joint circular ng DBM at COA, tanging military and uniformed personnel at intelligence practitioners lang ang dapat may intel funds.
Controls, regulates, supervises, and checks the usage of intelligence funds. And yet, mismong siya ay binibigyan ng intelligence fund. So he reports to himself, Mr. President. Bagsak, sirang-sira ang concept of checks and balances and controls, Mr. President.
Depensa ni Angara, trabaho ng Pangulo ang kumalap at tumanggap ng intel. Sa 4 na taon na may tig-2 bilyong pisong intel fund ng Office of the President, kumpleto at detalyado naman daw ang mga ulat tungkol sa paggamit nito ayon kay Senate President Mig Zubiri. Lumusot din sa debate dito sa Senado ang higit 10.6 billion pesos na panukalang budget ng Office of the President. Kabilang na ang hiling nitong intelligence fund. Pero hanggang sa huli, may apela at babala ang minorya.
So I appeal to his Ilocano nature to review the amounts. Activist lawyers listening to us, maybe a case can be filed with the Supreme Court to test the legality of the grant of intelligence funds to the Office of the President.
Amor Santos, CNN Philippines.